most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi folks, I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together we have the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to show you a 90-second real-time posture video. You can follow along, look, breathe, and feel fantastic when you do this.
That's right, Bob. There's no doubt about it.
So Brad's going to demonstrate, but before we do that, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also keep you motivated. Go to bobandbrad.com. Go to the giveaway section. We're always giving something away. This week we're giving away a knee glide. Great for after knee replacement surgery. I'd say it's almost mandatory.
Right. And it's good for before, for pre-op.
Yeah,
exercise.
It's also good for arthritis. Go to Facebook. It'll be pinned at the top of the page, the contest that is. Go to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok if you want a 60-second version of Bob and Brad. Brad, you're going to take it away here, right?
Bob, I'm going to get right to it, but a couple short things. First of all these exercises should not create any pain. A little stretch is okay, but any sharp pain, that means you got a problem somewhere and you need to skip to the next one. And the second thing is, before we start, we're going to take a deep breath and relax, because the body just works better. So breathe in through your nose, good posture, and relax, and we can get going.
Yeah.
All right.
The thing is, you can do this several times a day, and I would recommend you do it
Absolutely. Make it part of your day, part of your life. The first one, we're going to do 3 seated, 3 standing, because seated posture, standing posture are both very, very critical for your body, health, back, etc. So, hallelujah. This is what Bob coined this term. So what we're going to do is, in your chair, it's better if you don't have a high back. This is a little high, but I'll make it work. Is we're just going to go back like this, stretch the shoulders, 1 and 2 and 3. You don't have to count out loud, but I'm counting so you know.
Don't you have to say hallelujah?
Hallelujah, number 5.
There
Good. Now the next one, you can take a ball. If you don't have a ball, you can always hopefully have like a throw pillow, and you're going to put it right behind your back. There we go. And now what we're going to do is, now the ball or the pillow, you can put the ball there.
The ball is going to work better.
The ball does.
The ball works better.
Now this really emphasizes that neck and that thoracic, that mid-back posture, which is really critical. Do 5 of these. I think at 3. Oh, and you can vary what level you put it at.
That's what's nice about the ball. You can focus on a problem area.
There you go.
You have an area that's rounded out the wrong way.
Get to the edge of the chair. This is the third and final one in the seated position. You've got that good posture, and now we're going to practice standing up with good posture. There's one, as opposed to, because if you got a back problem, that's going to irritate it. This will not. This is 3. And if you want to reach up for the sky, there you go. You can do that as well. It helps that posture.
So you're building a little leg strength here while you're maintaining good posture.
Exactly.
All right.
All right. Now we're done with the seated. We're going to progress to the standing. And this is how you'll do it real time. Go up against the wall. Put your buttocks against the wall, your shoulders against the wall. And the first one is simply chin tucks. The back of my head is touching the wall. Now, some people may not be able to do that yet, but that's okay. Get as close as you can in chin tucks, so it's going to look like this.
You're not going up or down.
The wall is here.
Yeah, show it wrong, Brad.
Yeah.
You're not going down like that, or you're not going up like that. Yeah.
Right. And 5 of those. You can do a couple more if it feels good. The next one, scapular retractions, or just bring the shoulders. I tell my patients, try and touch your shoulder tips to the wall, and you'll feel those muscles working good in the back. And 4 and 5, and last but not least, the infamous wall angels. These are we've got hallelujahs, we've got wall angels.
Yeah, we got a religious theme going here.
There you go. Now this one, if you cannot touch, like Bob, he can touch the ceiling. My shoulders are tight. This is as high as I can get. My shoulder blades and all the muscles around there are getting a little tired right now. And that's what you want to feel.
You actually look tighter on your left side.
Yeah, it could be, Bob. Well, I'm right-handed.
Yeah, sure.
Whoa. There, and then we're done. Carry on with the day. It's fun.
And when you walk away from that wall, you're going to have great posture. You're going to look confident, people are going to think you look younger. They're going to say, "Did you get a haircut?"
That's
or
right.
They're gonna give you. You're going to have them rain upon you.
And you're going to breathe better. You're going to
Mhm.
feel like you just took a breath of fresh air.
All the world will be good once again.
Yeah, we really like posture.
Remember,
so-
Brad and I can fix just about anything.
Except for,
A broken heart.
there you go. Adios. Take
We'll
care.
work on it.
Be careful.